Hey you guys, I am Chrissy Pooh back with another video. So, I had this wig that if you check out my last video, I had this 613 wig by I was about to say Recool, that's the one I did before. But this wig is by Beaufox or Beaufox Hair on AliExpress. I ordered a 613 wig. It was 18 inches, lace front. I believe it was the BodyWave texture. But anyway, if you check out my last video, it'll have all the details. It'll have me unboxing it and everything. So this is the wig. I'm going to be installing and styling it today. This is the 18 inches, lace front. If you check out my last video, you know I didn't dye anything. I just washed it with the purple Shimmer Light shampoo. Definitely, like I said, go check out that last video if you want all the details on how I got this color and everything. We will be, like I said, installing and styling this. I have my cap on. I got my makeup done. So let's get right into this video. All right, you guys, so, yo, I am loving this freaking color. All right, now we got to figure out where this part about to be at. Of course, I'm going to do a side part. Yeah, side part it is. What I'm trying to figure out, because I could have plucked more, but what I'm trying to figure out is should I do baby hairs or no? Because I feel like it's like too uniform to not. Like, in other words, the hairline just kind of goes straight across, and I don't like that. I think I will do baby hairs. Yeah. I'm going to do baby hairs. I do wish this was like plucked more. That's probably like my only complaint about this wig, but it's still super soft, all that good stuff. I just really wish it was just plucked more, that's all. So let's get it started. All right. Let's see how far back this part can go. Oop. All right, so we are about right there. Oh no, we are right here. This is where the tracks are starting, so maybe I'll go further up. Because the farthest to the middle that you get, the more parting space that you have. I don't know what that was just on. Anyway. Alright, so maybe I'll do right here. Like about right here. I have to do a middle pouch, you guys. It's just not right. Alright, y'all. I know y'all like to hear the sound of my voice, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up because otherwise it's going to take me forever. So I will get back to you guys once I am done. And then I'll get back on your nerves. All right, you guys. So this is my finished result. I hope I slayed it once again for you guys. These curls are freaking bomb. And this wig is so freaking soft. So I will definitely let you guys know how well these curls held up. Like I said, go check out my video on my initial unboxing of this hair. But I'm in love, you guys. I did really good on the baby hairs. And that's it. So definitely go check out my other video on the unboxing. And I will see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications. And definitely, sis, leave me some comments. I am in love with responding to y'all. Let me know how I did. Like I said, go check out Boujee Barbie video on this look and see whether I slayed it like she did. Oh, I forgot one thing. Yes, money, the hair clip. All right, so I ain't got the hair clip like she got, but I have my own brand hair clips, and this one says money. It's on my website. I don't know why I have the hardest time trying to get these clips on. It's on my website. I'll leave the link down below. But definitely let me know if I slayed this for you guys. Like I said, subscribe to my channel, like it, and I will see you babes next time. Love you guys.